Hello, good afternoon. My name is Laura Jimena Alvarez Totena, and I am a student studying for language with an emphasis on English. I will use this space to respond to Strip 3 of the Nature of Language and a Language Activity. What is a dialect? Dialect is the variation of a language which is used and understood by a group of people, a community of speakers, or the inhabitants of a region. It is important to remember that a dialect is not a language, but a derivation of a language. A speaker of a language introduces variation into it and gives rise to a great linguistic diversity. The causes of this variation are many, but the main ones are: 1. Geographic variation are the different variation of a language due to different geographic areas or territories where was speak. Of this type of variation originate geographic dialects. Number 2. Social variation. They are the that manifest the modes of speech, culture, and colloquial or everyday life of a language, the which are derived from the context social of the speaker. Of this type of variation originate social dialects. Example according to the Colombian context. Look at the following example to help you understand better. Number 1. In Nariño, they call a chill guagua. Number 2. In Antioquia, a chichipato is something who is stingy. Number 3. For an inhabitant of Chocó, a candle is called is ambil. Number 4. In Santander, the belly is called buche. Number 5. For the opita, the head is called tuste. On the legs, zancas. Number 6. In the plains region, guati is the way to refer at the foreigners. Number 7. For the those born in the Cundiboyacense region, Titan is the way to call one's father. Number 8. In the Caribbean region, a very light disorder is called rebruje. In Bogotá, a Rolo calls something some who is young sardino, or embarrada to is a mistake. Thanks.